Hi, this is the Glassware facility tracking database. So when you first log in, this is the page you'll see, the main menu, and the Glassware personnel. What they do when they want to add a glassware is click on this button here, and it goes to the Glassware page. And as you can see down here, it's a chart, and what that chart is it tells you the usage by department. All you have to do is press this button here, and it will sort all the glassware that's been washed into departments and give you a chart of usage. And you're done. So this is the chart by departments. So what the glassware facility personnel would do is they have a barcoder, or should I say a barcode scanner, and this is the scanner right here. And what they do is they scan a barcode similar to this one, but it has the doctor's information on it. So once that and they scan it in that field, this field right here. Once that number is put in, then all this information here is automatically populated. And the only thing the glassware personnel will have to do is add the number of pieces they washed, the number of loads, the number of bins, and the number of pipettes they've washed. Number of loads is how many times they put glassware in the glassware washing machine. So that's basically the only thing they have to do. Besides, at the end of the month, when they go to a new month, they have to choose pending. So when the charges come, these won't be mixed up with the charges for the previous month. And it'll be changed over every 15th of the month. And that's about it for that. The next section will be account manager. So when an account manager logs in, they click on this button, and they will only see their investigators within their department that they can approve charge code. They can add charge code by just tapping it in and just adding the charge code. Just tap in, and this is all done on the internet. It's not done on the iPad, but it can be done on the iPad if they have an iPad. So let's see. So basically, they would just go through all of these and add charge codes. Up here it tells you how many members are using the glassware facility for that particular department. The other section is add customers, which I'm not going to go into. It just adds the investigators. This right here is you can add vendors. When you add the vendors, right down here, when you start adding the supplies, all their supplies will be listed for each vendor. And right here is where you add the inventory. And this is where you link the customer, or should I say the vendor with the product. So it'll show on this section here. Right here is where the glassware facility personnel can request supplies if they run low. Let's go back here. They have an iPad, so what they'll do is they'll fill in this information, and then they can just click on email, and it'll send that email to me. Let's see, the other section is View Investigator. This will be for investigators when they want to log in to see what their usage is. They could just log in, and once they click on that button, they will only see their information. You can see it's blank here. That's because it's showing my information, and I don't have any glassware, so it's going to be blank. This right here is request days off or time off. That's not completed yet, but it will be there. This will give you a monthly report. You can go by. This will give a monthly report of all the glassware that's being washed, and this lists everything. So what you could do is down here, you can just say, I just want to see all charges that has yes to it. It'll search everything, and it'll just show yes. Yes, as in yes, charge me. Right here will give you the full glassware report, so it's everything within the database it will show. This will show pending glassware, and this is where you make changes. Once the following month comes and it past the 15th, what I'll do is go in here and just change this to yes, so it can be charged. And I'll do that for every investigator. So that's about it for the glassware facility.